I didn't know I had about AI, machine learning.
On its feed, AI technology could take our jobs, new research.
Chinese AI agent called Manus adds to fear of
Day after this young woman recorded herself getting fired.
Might pull ahead very quickly thanks to artificial intelligence.
China is back with a crazy AI model that will completely blow your mind. If
AI is everywhere, isn't it? Layoffs have become alarmingly common. With AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, concerns are raising about its potential to replace human workforce. As automations continues to advance, the demand for human workforce will decline. So, what's the solution? Welcome back to the ultimate business guide for beginners. I am Barath, a tech PM in one of the world's biggest tech companies. In this video, we will tackle the first 3 stages of building your own business empire. Number 1, how to identify your business idea. Number 2, how to conduct the market research. And finally, it's how to create your own business plan. Let's not waste time and straight away dive into the first stage. How to create your own business idea and unlock your entrepreneurial potential. As we discussed in the previous video, the first point or the starting point for creating your business idea isn't money or product or service or even a need. Guess what? It's much simpler than that. It's identifying a problem or a pain point to solve, and everything else flows from this foundation. And now, let's talk about something called passion. Passion is the fuel for innovation and success, isn't it? I like to define passion as a deep and rooted emotion that drives anyone's interest, energy, and enthusiasm to accomplish something that they truly love and care about. Let's think about passion for some of the famous celebrities. The king of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan's passion lies in acting and storytelling. Similarly, Cristiano Ronaldo's passion lies in fitness and inspiring young athletes. As you watch the upcoming video, comment your passions in the below comment section. For me, the passion lies in solving real life problems and helping others by sharing the knowledge. And that's the reason I have revamped this channel. Let's build a community of dreamers. Now, let's take Musk as an example. Elon Musk's passion lies in computers, software, innovation, and coding. He identified a huge problem in transportation: vehicles emitting harmful carbon dioxide. By combining his passion and the problem, he created a business idea that was scalable and ahead of market trends. And thus, Tesla was born. Follow this simple formula. Identify your passion, spot a pain point, and create a scalable business idea. Once the business idea is ready, now it's time to validate it through market research. Stage 2, how to conduct market research. Market research helps you confirm if others share the similar problem that you have identified and confirm if the business idea is valuable. Here are the simple steps to conduct market research. Firstly, find your objective. Know why you are doing market research. Once you identify this, you will be able to easily figure out if the solution is effective. This helps to measure the outcomes effectively. For example, Elon Musk's objective would have been to study adaptability of electric cars in cities like California or Bangalore. Next, pinpoint your target audience and segment them into factors like age, income, locality, lifestyle and profession, etc. Use simple tools like Google Forms, SurveyMonkeys, or even Excel sheets to gather feedbacks from your target audience. This will help validate your business problem. Speak to people around and ask meaningful questions to understand their problems and pain points. Look for patterns and insights from the responses that you have received. For instance, Tesla likely found that California's eco-conscious and tech-savvy individuals were open to adopt electric vehicles. Validating your business idea through market research is a crucial step. It ensures you are solving a real problem that people genuinely care about. Now, let's move to the final stage of the episode, and that's how to create a business plan. Now that you have validated your business idea, it's time for you to build your own business plan, the roadmap to success. To put it simple, the business model contains everything. That's the company goals, strategies, target audience, execution plan, operational plan, revenue streams, products, services, etc. One effective tool is the business model canvas, which includes 9 components: customer segments, value propositions, channels, customer relationships, revenue streams, key resources, key activities, key partnerships, and finally its cost structures. For example, Tesla's business plan includes innovative value propositions like sustainable electric vehicles, key resources like gigafactories and patents, and revenue streams like car sales, softwares, and sustainability related energy products. Fill in each component of your business model canvas by brainstorming with your team members. Once completed, your business plan becomes the blueprint. Comment below in case if you need a separate video for understanding about the business model canvas, and let's dive deep into it. And that wraps the first 3 stages of building your own business empire. We have covered identifying your business idea, conducting market research, and creating your own business plan. In the next video of the 4-part series, we will explore the remaining 7 stages of building your own business empire. Please share your feedback in the comment section, and please share your thoughts on what would you like me to do in the upcoming video series. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please forward this video to all your friends who are seeking to develop knowledge in the business world. Stay tuned for more such inspiring contents. See you. Bye bye. Take care.